Angeline helped me do my back piece.
A big one or like a...
It's like my full back, all the way to like near my ass. So when I did that tattoo, right, it was really hot in the kitchen and all. Like I show her my healing.
Most importantly is you take care of the tattoo, like, just not dirty it.
Like I shower almost 2-3 times a day, so it's fine.
As in after tattoo you have to put, I don't know what's the thing called
Second skin.
Yeah, second skin. It's like a film.
不是 Scotch tape 咩？也是透明的嘛，对。
你没有跟他讲是那个 kitchen 用的那个
保鲜纸
plastic
啊
算了。
Cling wrap, right? Cling wrap.
The one need to change every 2 days, 1 day.
Not really. For me, I just put it on, then I ask my client to keep it on for like 4 days.
So 4 days later you can take out, then back to normal lah.
Back to normal. Just take care of it like how you would a wound.
I don't usually put skin lah. She have never.
Yeah, it's a choice, it's not a must.
Once you like tear it, right, it's very painful.
Huh?
It's very sticky.
Yeah, so when you take off, right, it's like painful already. Decided to like just 自然一点，让它 like
自然 heal.